we have other lesson. It is phrasal verbs. What means phrasal verbs? That means the verb consists more than one word. It is have, for example, two words. Turn off. Turn, it is a verb followed by of. Of, it is a preposition. So, turn off, it's a phrasal verb. The meaning of the phrasal verb different from the verb alone. Okay? We have started with the 6th preparatory, unit 1, lesson 4, branch B. So, pay attention to me, my students, my dear students. Are you ready? So, well, let's start with our lesson. What's the phrasal verbs? Object, noun, can come before and after pronoun. We have two types of object. It is object, noun, and object, pronoun. In the object, noun can come before it's as the sentence. Turn the light off. Turn is a verb. The light is a noun. Comes what? Before the preposition. Before the preposition. This is a preposition. The object comes before the preposition or after as this sentence. Turn off the light. Turn is a verb of F. We have double F. F. Off the light. Okay? Because we have noun object can be after the preposition. Usually noun comes after the preposition, but in the object pronoun with the phrasal verb object pronoun must come before, just before the preposition of this sentence. Turn it off. Turn it off. Why? Turn is a verb. It's a preposition. Off. It's a preposition. So it's a object pronoun. So we should put the object pronoun before preposition. This is just the true way. Okay? We can't say turn off it. It's the object pronoun can't come be after the preposition. That's wrong. Just the pronoun, the object pronoun just come just before, not after, before preposition. Turn, we know it is a verb. Turn off, it's a phrasal verb. This is a phrasal verb separate by object. pronoun object. We have exercise B, page 11, activity book, unit 1, lesson 4. The first, we read this. Write the sentences putting the verbs and object in the correct form. Where two answers are possible, write them both. Which case, if the object, now we have two ways. For example, can you turn on the television? We write the first sentence as the same. Can you turn is a verb. After verb, on a preposition or the object noun. We said the rule if the object noun, both of them is true after or before preposition. Because why? Because we have object noun. So if we said, can you turn on after the verb on the television, or before the preposition, can you turn the television? We put the object now before the preposition. Both of them is true. I've already turned on it. It means I have in past participle. I've already turned. We write the first sentence as it. I've already and turned is a verb. After the verb, put the preposition or the object pronoun, of course, object pronoun, because we said the pronoun comes just, only, must come before the preposition. Okay? This only the correct answer. Smoking is terrible. You should give up it. Write the first sentences as it. Smoking is terrible. First stop. The second sentence, you, subject, should, helping verb, give main verb after main verb. Put or it after the main verb, give. We should put up the preposition or the pronoun object. We of course put the pronoun before it. Pronoun object, pronoun before the preposition. Number 4. When did you take up this is a slash. This is named slash, okay? This is also a slash. Start collecting, question mark, we have a question. The first sentence, write it as it. When did you take? Take is a verb. After verb, we should focus in the object. Sound collecting. It is noun, object noun. So we can put after or before. The two cases it is true because we have a noun object. When did you take up? After phrasal verb after preposition, we can put the object because it's noun, and the noun is usually come uh, after the preposition. Take up sound collecting, question mark. Or when did you take? Is before, not after, before the preposition. Stamp collecting, this is the noun object, and the preposition of up, question mark. Both of them correct because we have noun. 5. The, or not the. 5. I like these shoes. First stop. That means the sentences is in. So write the same sentences. I like these shoes. Can I slash try on slash then? We should correct here between these two slashes. Try on, try, after try, on or then preposition or the object pronoun. We have a pronoun, not noun, pronoun object. So we should receive, reintroduce the object before the preposition. 6. Can you turn down the music? We usually use turn down, turn up with what? With electronic device. Here, the music. We have the music, the object. How we know this word object? Because it's spelled there. So it is object. It's noun. So we can write this noun object now before or after preposition. Both of them true. The same sentence, can you turn verb after verb? Maybe preposition down and then followed by object because we have noun object. Or can you turn the same, the what? The music. We put the object before down, before preposition or after preposition because we have noun object, both of them true. 7, not 7, 7. I'll, it means I will. It's referred to the future. I'll turn down it slash in a minute. I'll turn down, I'll turn. After the verb turn comes preposition or the object. The object is a pronoun, so we should put the object pronoun and then the preposition down and complete this sentence. The complement of the sentence in. After in we have a minute. After in it's a noun. A indefinite article and then noun. You shouldn't confuse about this sentence because we have two preposition down and in. You should know that the preposition comes after the verb, turn verb, and then down. But here, the preposition introduce the noun, not verb. We have a noun. It's a other topic, not related with our topic. Don't relate it with our topic. It's a phrasal verb. I'll turn it down in a minute. We have, as we said, object before preposition. Not do not or don't forget. A pronoun object does not come before the preposition, but comes after. Sorry, here. Don't forget pronoun object. This is a pronoun object. Does it come after? Yes. Does it come after pronoun, but comes before pronoun? Yes, that's true. You can't say I'll tone down it. No, wrong. Why? Because we have pronoun object, and if we have pronoun, we can't put after preposition, but it comes before the preposition. Okay? Okay. Are you understand? Thank you so much. Yes, complete. Other notes. Some phrasal verbs don't need an object. As this example, I woke up. It's completed in the meaning, so we don't need an object. Here, the verb is in the past tense. Walk, not wake. Remember, you need to change that verb depending on the tense. We can't change the verb maybe in the present or past or past participle. Example, I usually wake up in the present at 6 today. Or others, we have other sentence. It's I walk in the past tense, up at 6:30. Another important main note. It's related with any topic, not just with our topic. What's this main note? The sentence, declarative sentence. The declarative sentence consists of subject, start with the subject and followed by the verb, ending with the full stop. I already turned on the television. Also, start with the subject and followed by the verb. This is affirmative sentence without negative or question mark. How we can know this sentence affirmative? Because it's not continue negative or question. I already don't turn on the television. This is a negative sentence with negative mark. It is not referred to the negative. But interrogative refers to the what? The interrogative sentences consist of verbs. Start with the verb and then followed by the subject. Complete the sentence ending with the question mark. Example. Can you turn on the television? The imperative sentence. This is interrogative because it's end with question mark, beginning with the verb, helping verb. We have other type of the tense. It's imperative sentence, other sentence. Starting with the verb, for example, stand up, study hard, so on. Start with the verb followed by what? Object. The object is usually followed by the verb and the object. We don't mention the subject in the what imperative sentence. Why? Because it is present. If he or she is present automatically, and we are talking with him now. I'm talking, for example, talking with you and say, listen to me, please. So I don't mention your name. Assuming I'm talking to him now, as I am talking with you now, and say, read with me, answer me, for example. Okay. There aren't need to mention them. Then what I mean is the subject. Example. Turn off the television. I start with the verb and then follow the phrasal verb. Turn off. Turn off. It's a phrasal verb followed by what? The object. Where's the subject? It's implied. I'm talking with you. Implied the sentence. So this is also summarizing about our topic. Verb, phrasal verb comes and then object noun. We can put object noun before preposition or after preposition, as here, or before preposition. But pronoun just have one way. Object pronoun just before preposition. I hope the lecture clear. Thank you for listening. I give you a flower, rose. Thank you so much, my dear student, with the best wishes. Goodbye, dear students. Au revoir.